Hello, this is Ludwig from Phasio, and in this video, we're going to create new TypeScript equations from your legacy equations. And you might have noticed that within your processes, you find these legacy processes. Let's take a look at those. And we're going to take this FDM, price per CC process, and transfer it to your new TypeScript equations with the help of AI. And AI is really useful for this because we can give you a context. We can give AI context and a prompt, and this will be sent to you alongside with this video, and that will help the AI to actually do the transformation. You can read through this if you want to, or simply go ahead and use it. And we're in our legacy equation here, and we see that in pricing algorithms, we have a main equation and we have a single sub-equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the main equation, and I prepared this already in my Claude AI here. You can, of course, also use ChatGPT, and I'll copy the main equation in here, and then there's a sub-equation. I'm going to take the name of that sub-equation, put the name here, and then this is where I'm going to copy the content of the sub-equation, and you can check that. Double check that you have the main equation, all the sub-equations there, hit enter, and see what the AI is doing for you. And it's creating the representation of the TypeScript equation. I'll copy it. And now I have that copied, and I'll put a new process, which was FDM, right? Call it FDM, new TS pricing FDM, and I'll mark it as being an internal process because only I want to have access to that yet, right? So we're in our basic settings, and we have to build the material schema first. So in the material schema, let's take a look back at the equation, and I see that there's the price per CC is the only variable, materials.variables, the only variable that we're using in here. So we will just create that. Price per CC, like that. I hit add, and now I can go ahead to overview, create the equation, and I'll simply remove this done function here, paste that. You see everything looks good. I'll give this a name, V1, and then I can hit save. If the save button is not possible to press the save button, then there must be an error in your equation somewhere. Either you have not defined the material variables, or you have to go to the AI that you use and just make custom adjustments, tell it what error is thrown, like that. And now I'll hit save, and I have to put the equation as live. And yeah, this is it. Then this is how you created your new TypeScript equation. And in the next video, we're going to take a look at how to transfer the information from your materials and from the infills and layer heights from this legacy equation into the new TypeScript equation. So hey, stay tuned and reach out if you have any questions.